What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. A little different today. I am in my hometown of Perry, Florida, and I am working on my mom's Ford Fairside. What I want to show you guys, another simple video of how to change out the post on this battery. We're going to put in a new battery, and we're going to change the post to these. Very simple. What we're going to do, instead of just showing you the whole thing, I'm just going to talk you through it right now and show you what we're going to do. I've already cut one of these. I'm going to cut the other one. Same thing here. Then I'm going to put them together just like you're getting some speaker wire, whatever, and you put them together underneath these two, tighten them down, and you got new posts. What I didn't get was some lube and whatnot to put on it, but we can do that later. But I'm just going to show you guys a simple way, changing up an old vehicle, making it a little bit more customized so you can get to it and do what you need to do. I want to show you guys what I'm using. I'm using a pair of my mom's cutters. Rusty, but they are getting the job done. I've already got the first one off. Real easy. Probably took me 30 seconds, if that, to get both of them off. So I'm going to move on to the second one and keep going. All right, guys, I got the cables off. Look corroded, so I knocked them off a little. Now it's time to add these new terminals on and get this new battery in. So I'm gonna show you, not step by step, but just a little bit of how it's done. All right, this is what I did, guys. I put this in first. I don't know if you can see, I put these in first, then put the battery post on. Even put the little spongy things on the bottom of them over here too. And go ahead and try to crank it up, man. What we was getting before, I think the battery was dead also. But while we was doing that, I want to change the posts out. Just do something, you know, get it right. Don't have to worry about it again. And just like that, guys, we're done. Well, I just want to show you, a quick video of how to do this, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.